This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Martin Logan 1600X Subwoofer. This is a really nice sub. It's one of the top of the line before you get into the Balance Force subs, which we do carry. You can see they do a really nice job of packaging this up and making sure that it isn't damaged in shipping. Fragile. So this is the first thing you're going to see, guys. Dynamo 1600X. High resolution subwoofer system. Let's get it unboxed and see what's inside. Now keep in mind, guys, we are a Martin Logan dealer, and we do carry their entire line. If you guys would like to purchase a Martin Logan product, we do have a low price guarantee, nationwide free shipping. We're local here in Dallas, Texas. If you need us to do the installation for you, we would love to. We'll have our contact information attached below, phone number, as well as email. So you can see they do a nice job of putting some foam insulation in there. You do have a grill. This is a push-in grill right here. And this is optional because this particular subwoofer, if I remember correctly, does have the orientation options for frontward firing or downward firing. In this particular situation, we're going to be putting it at the rear of the room and the downward firing orientation, since we do have two subwoofers in our towers here. But we'll play with it and see what the best performance is. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull this bad boy out. Alright, so the very bottom of the box, you can see inside, it's packed up really nice for shipping. But down at the bottom, we have the manual. Looks like this is for the 600X, the 800X, the 1100X, and the 1600X. And just like on their tower speakers, they have a quality control piece in here that somebody has to sign off on. An actual human being tests this before it leaves the factory. This is important to me. It just shows how much the company cares about their product. They got a spike tool as well, which must be new. I don't think this was on the 1500X's, last year's version, but I'll take a look at that here in a minute. Power cord. Here's the manual. And here's this quality control piece I was talking about. Just a little extra something to let you know that, you know, they care and that they're testing their products, not just shipping them out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and get this guy unwrapped so you can see the actual product itself. This is the grill. And let's take a look at the sub. Tell you what, this thing has some weight to it. It should be a banger. Very clean enclosure. I like it. And it is in the downward orientation right now, which is how I'm going to utilize it. Got the cool little Martin Logan signature there on the front. They have the wireless module connector here on the back. If you do need wireless, we hardwired this. Hardwired is always preferred, guys. If you can hardwire stuff, it's just gonna make your life a lot easier. The sides just have the nice matte black finish. And then the back side here. So let's take a look. We have the wireless module connection, power. We have our level setting, as well as the settings for the app, which they do have an app now to where you can play with the settings and adjust your crossovers and level and things like that. What else do we have? USB input, trigger, or auto, or just on all the time. It's up to you. Speaker level input, right and left inputs. They even have a balanced XLR input, LFE in. It's pretty nice. And then we have the line level input, LFE in, line level input left and right, and then a 12 volt trigger input. And then see all these connections right here? This is what you would do if you wanted to flip the orientation to where the woofer was firing outwards. Wow, look at that beauty. I'll show you guys here in just a minute. A close-up. Get a little light on it for you. Here's everything I was just talking about. That connector is pretty interesting. Looks like it's pretty much just a USB connection, and then it slips the whole wireless module back in there so that it's not sticking out. I like that. You can see all of the inputs I was discussing. And then here's where you would change the orientation. You just move your feet. Let's take a look at the bottom. Got the Martin Logan signature on it. Very well built, solid housing. This is the front side. And that's it. This is the unboxing of the Dynamo 1600X Subwoofer from Martin Logan. We are a Martin Logan dealer and would love to get you guys as a customer. Give us a call, shoot us a text or email. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.